to our former Municipal Fire Marshal, our Senior Inspector Francisco A. Manilag, not only our Municipal Fire Marshal but also our Tatay Frankie. We, the Buena Vista Fire Station, would like to express our sincere gratitude for your dedicated service as Municipal Fire Marshal.
Your expertise and commitment in fire service, sir, significantly benefited to our community. Salamat, sir, sa pag-share sa imong experiences, knowledge, and giving values to each of your personnel.
Congratulations, Sir Frankie Manilag, for your well-deserved retirement. May your retirement will give you joy, relaxation, and exciting adventure. A big salute to you, sir.
Happy retirement, Sir Frankie. God bless and we salute to you, sir. Retirement na, birthday pa, sana all! Yay!